What's up, crypto fam? Welcome back to another episode. Today I collabed with Cointelegraph, one of the most prestigious cryptocurrency covering publications out there. If you guys haven't noticed, in the featured tab is their YouTube channel. I'm also going to be linking their YouTube channel below, so go check them out. They are a great resource. Diving into this video, Ethereum Classic is a network, a community, and a smart blockchain that has been around for quite some time. One of the things that I like to always preface videos like this with is different communities that I have covered in the past are very passionate, and people will just be aggressive and blow up my DMs. So all I'm gonna be doing in this video, once again, like previous ones, is quoting other publications and what they're talking about. For example, Cointelegraph. I'm going to be talking about what is public information about Ethereum Classic in this video. So if you like Ethereum Classic, or if you are new to Ethereum Classic, stay tuned, because I'm gonna dive all the way into what is coming with Coinbase and why you should be very, very interested. So let's jump in. The comparison that the developers use is a dial phone versus a smartphone. Bitcoin, as they refer to it, is a dial phone, and the smartphone is Ethereum Classic, where they are creating all these cool little applications that also include the dial phone. So using the basic technology that Bitcoin is using. That is to be taken with a grain of salt. That is what the Ethereum Classic developers say. But what I'm gonna link in the description below is the official announcement from Coinbase that their developers are completing the final tests to list Ethereum Classic on the exchange. Going back to December, early December, when Coinbase listed Bitcoin Cash, there was a big controversy that broke out. The price of Bitcoin Cash shot through the roof right before it listed on Coinbase. So this sparked a lot of debate on Twitter and just social media in general, where people were concerned that the employees of Coinbase knew this information, did not tell people about this information other than their close relatives or friends, which I wouldn't put past them because that's valuable information. Everybody was pissed off. Everybody was attacking Coinbase. They did a post about it saying, we're backpedaling here. This is, we're gonna fix this in the future. We're gonna be better about announcements. So Ethereum Classic comes along, and they've been around for a while, but comes along to Coinbase, and they decided to announce that they're going through the final stages this past weekend. So the price already, I think it was $16 on Friday. It's up a little over 10% since the announcement came out, and it will be finished on August 7th, 2018, when Coinbase is planning on listing this coin, and everyone that is invested will have their bags shoot through the roof. When Bitcoin Cash did this, they went from about $2,000 to over $3,000 within, a night. When they first listed it, it shot through the roof, and everybody started freaking out because it was a fork, so they actually filled your wallet with coins. I dumped mine because I'm not a fan of Bitcoin Cash, and not necessarily because of the technology, but just for their messaging of saying that they are the true Bitcoin, which is just false. If an email goes out to 20 million people, let's say 10% of those people open that email, and 1% of them click through that email and go to, maybe even half of that choose to take action. That's still a lot of people taking action and purchasing one cryptocurrency, especially given the bear market that we're in. It's going to be an exciting week to see how this unfolds. Ethereum Classic is going to be their first smooth run through. Bitcoin Cash was a nightmare of a PR disaster for them, and people were bashing them. So I think they learned their lesson here. They told everyone beforehand, they told people what's going on, and now they're going to follow through with the development side of things, which is, from what it appears, that's going to be their strategy moving forward. So I'm gonna be following their blog after this. I'm gonna put their link to the blog post below so you guys can follow their blog as well and get these notifications when they say final testing is around the corner, and you guys can get a little bit of a tip off from Coinbase themselves about new coins, new assets that are getting listed that you can actually invest in on different exchanges, hold, and then wait for that 20 million person email blast to go out. And I'm excited about it. I hope you guys are too. If you guys like this video, me covering the news of crypto, leave a comment, smash a like on this video, and I hope to see you guys on the next episode of Hackdroid Crypto.